Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix the email address is already associated error in Canva. This usually happens when an email is already linked to an existing account, but don't worry. We will walk you through how to sort it out quickly. Starting on your Canva dashboard, let's say this is your dashboard. We will click on the Login button. If your email is already in use, all you need to do is choose how you want to sign in. For example, you can continue with your email or with Gmail. If your email is already taken, go ahead and type it in. From there, you can reset your password or check your email for a verification code. If you have a code, simply enter it in the code field and click. Continue to log in. You can also reset your password if you have forgotten it. Just click the Reset Password option if you did not receive a code. If your account is connected to Google or Facebook, just click Continue with Google and sign into your Google account. This will take you straight into your Canva account. Another option is to reach out to Canva directly. You can contact their support team to help recover your account, or you can verify that the email address belongs to you. That is how we fix the email address is already associated error in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can get back into our account without any trouble.